Hot girl summer. Feeling myself. Yep. Feeling myself. Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you are new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. Okay, I mean, who wouldn't want to be a part of my world? But anyways, let's get into the video. But first, I want to show you the two bathing suits, as I won't be trying them on in the video, so I will just show you them right now and tell you a little bit about them or why I chose it, whatever. The first one is this. I'll insert a picture of it right here since I won't be trying it. And I like the bottom because it's like so big. Like I usually get the regular kind of like underwear kind of thing, but anyways, I really like this one. I like that it's like longer, so yeah. And I like this. It's very cute. You'll see on the picture, it's like you have a little tie at the bottom, so I'll show you that. But I really like this. The quality feels amazing, which I really like, because most of the stuff I have, I don't really like the quality, but this one is very nice, so I would definitely recommend this one. And now the second one is, this is the top. I feel like my boobies are bigger than that. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I really like this. I haven't tried it on as yet, but I really like it. The color is super bright and I really like this one. And this is the bottom. Usually I don't get bottoms that are this skinny, but I really didn't even think about that when I was shopping for it, else I probably wouldn't have gotten it. But I really liked it because you have the shorts with it, and I'm so excited. I thought it was a skirt initially, but when I saw that it was a shorts, I was like, this is amazing, and I definitely need to get this one. So yeah, I got it and I really like it. So yeah, and I'll insert a picture right here so you can see what it's supposed to look like on you. But the quality is amazing. I really like it. I feel like their bathing suits are much better quality than their clothes are. So I'll just show you. And also I want to show you this dress that I'm wearing, because I just got it today at Burlington Coat Factory for $12.99 or something like that. But the quality is way better than all of the things that I'll be trying on in this haul, so you'll see. But I'm going to show you this dress right now, and then after that I'll just go try on the other items and let you see, and comment down below which one you like the most, okay? But yeah, let's get into the video. I can't dance. So guys, this is what the dress looks like. It's just so comfy and free, like you feel like a bird in the sky, and you're like, but yeah, it's definitely worth what I paid for it. So I really like this one, but it's not a part of the haul. I just wanted to show you guys because I really like it. So guys, this is the first outfit. I really like this dress. It's simple, nice, and it says spring to me. So yeah, it's not too short, you'll see. I'm sorry if I have a lot of short stuff, but yeah, it's about to be hot in summer and I haven't been out, so I got stuff for like summer and spring / vacation. So yeah, but this is very nice. The quality isn't bad at all. I'll give it that. I like the way it fits, especially up top. It makes me feel like I got something, which I don't usually have. So yeah. The only thing I don't like about this dress is the fact that it gives me a little belly. I had a food baby because I gave up ice cream for 40 days and 40 nights, aka Lent, and I'm recording this the Saturday after Good Friday, so I went out with my aunt and we had ice cream together. So yeah, I have an ice cream baby right now. But anyway, I like this dress, so if you like it, comment down below and let me know if you like this one. It feels comfortable, and I could just easily wear it to a dinner date or a lunch date with my friends, or you know. But yeah, I really like it. It's simple and it's nice, And to me, it screams spring, so yeah, I definitely like this one. This right here is another springy dress. To me, it looks kind of churchy. Only in the front, only in the front. And again, I guess it's the material because I keep having a belly and I don't like it. Like, what's going on with that? You feel me? Like, I had ice cream like 4 hours ago. Anyways, this is the back of the dress. And I really like it. I don't even know. But yeah, I really like it. I like the color. It's also screams spring. And I would definitely wear this one to like the park. It's the same material as the other one that I tried earlier. So yeah, I don't like the way it fits here. I feel like it's more for somebody with like a huge hip kind of thing. And I don't really have that. But it's still cute, and I definitely like the back. I have my back out because you know, hot girl summer. Yep. So yeah, I really like this one. Let me know if you like this one. This is dress number 3. I thought this was gonna be like skin tight because I'm skinny. I like my clothes skin tight. So I'm not really feeling this. I got a little makeup on it, but that's fine. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. Yep. This is what it looks like. I mean, it's just a simple dress, I guess. So, like, you can't expect too much because I guess you just gotta dress it up a little bit and wear it with something nice. Like a nice color bag, like maybe a blue with some nice heels, or a red bag or something. It depends on the look you're going for. It could be black also, but whatever. But for this dress, I've had dresses like these before, and quality wise, this is not it at all. It's so thin that you can literally just see through it. And that's why I'm wearing a tights underneath the dress. But yeah, I guess ain't nothing special about it. It's just the little old white dress. I was planning to dress it up for my birthday, but I won't be doing that no more because I'm not feeling it. But yeah, it's simple, I guess. Yeah, feeling myself. Feeling myself. Hey. Okay, so as you can tell, I really like this dress. I mean, it's just a simple dress, but I really like it. I feel like it's super cute. It fits just right. It's the same material as the other one, but because it's black, so it doesn't show. It's very nice, I must say. This is one of my favorite. I like the cuts at the bottom, you know, like adds a little dash to it, whatever. But this is very cute. I really like this one. Yeah, I really like it. It's not too short, but it's not too long like the other one. I really like this one. I would give this one a 10 out of 10 because, you know, I like my clothes skin tight. I think this one is an extra small, but the white one was a small and they didn't have extra small, so I had to get the small. I probably shouldn't have because I kind of regret it. I don't like it at all. Let's get into the other one. Okay, I think I found my favorite dress from the batch. Okay, I really like this one. Like, it's, even though it's like kneeling, it's still super cute. It's very comfortable. The material is good, so good that I took my bra off just for this dress. I like the way it feels. It feels just right. This is definitely something Patrice would wear. Yeah, it's very nice. You could just put like a little jacket over it. Like, when I say jacket, I mean like a jeans jacket, a denim jacket over it if you want, and just wear some nice like black shoes or something, you know, and yeah, dress it up. And then this is a cute outfit, period, for anything, because it's just that good. I really like this one. I think this is my favorite just so far. The way it fits, the material is very nice, so I really like that. But this is my favorite dress. Let me see you. But yeah, guys, this is definitely my favorite so far. I really like this, and I can't wait to wear it in the summertime. Oh, I even got a little something back there. But yeah, I really like this one. So, fave, 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 period, boo, period. So, yeah, next one. So, guys, this is basically the same as the white one that I tried earlier. The material is the same. I feel like this one is shorter, though, because the other one was, like, down here, and this one is here, so it is shorter. This is the last dress that I have. I like this one. It's simple. It's nice. It's black and white. You can wear this with a nice, like, white booty kind of thing. And, yeah. You just, like, wear, like, your little jewelry kind of thing going. And, yeah. It's nice. It fits nice. I like the way it feels feel on my body. Yeah. Let me know if you guys like this one, and let me know which dress is your favorite, because that's it for the dress. And now I'm gonna try on the other stuff that I bought, like 2-piece that I bought, and I want you also to let me know which one is your favorite 2-piece, and I'll let you know which one is mine as well. I like the little slit right here because it's just so cute, and it's very nice, and just the way the dress fits, it fits really nice on my body. But yeah. So let's get into the next outfit. I love this for me. Not really. So I love the shorts. I don't know if I wear it with this top. I thought the top was gonna be a little bit more down, and besides, it's kind of loose. So because of that, I definitely would not be wearing this top because I don't like how it fits. You feel me? So, but the shorts I definitely like. It's the same material as the first 2 dresses that I tried on. But yeah, I really like it. Baby, it's the shorts for me. It's the shorts for me. Yeah. Let me know if you guys like this one. I feel a little uncomfy. So, I don't know. I would change the top, but it's a cute outfit. And there's something like this I definitely would wear on vacation and not, you know, here. But yeah, it's cute. I like it. I like that it has a bow at the front. But yeah. So let me try on the other one. This is a 2-piece, but I like the way it looks like this. But I'll show you the other way. But I really like this look because the blouse is kind of big, so it kind of looks big off on me. Whereas if it's tucked in, then it looks cuter to me. So you can be the judge of it. But yeah, I like the shorts. It's not tight, so it's not like a typical booty shorts where it butts out. But yeah, I really like it. Because they feel comfy and they're just so nice. So yeah, I will try on the other one, and you can let me know which of the 3 of them is your favorite. Okay guys? But yeah, so if it's out, it looks like this. So you just see a little bit of skin, but I just don't like the way that it's not like skin tight. If it was skin tight, I would definitely wear it outside. But because it's not, I don't like it this way. So the other way is my favorite. Let me know which way you would wear this one. This is my last 2-piece that I have. And I actually really like it. I like the way it fits. It fits really nice. Obviously, it needs to be ironed. But other than that, it's very cute. I like it. I miss the loop. When they say, wait, what did they say in Jamaica? If you miss a loop, I get one, but when I'm nobody forget my bun, so there's that. But yeah, I really like it. It's comfy and it's very nice. I like the buttons at the front. Oh, they sent an extra button, so if you lose one, you just always put it back on. So yeah, I really dig it. I dig it. So this is just the blouse that I bought. I'm just showing you how it looks with something, and because I had to put something on and I don't have any other bottoms right now, so this is a nice tee that you could just wear. Like, you could just wear it with anything because it's white, like, so it kind of goes with anything. Yeah, it's very cute. The material feels really nice, so I like that about it. It is see-through though, so you have to be careful what bra you wear with it, but yeah, it's nice. Then you have this bag. It's just a regular old white bag. I honestly don't like the way it feels. It's like, it feels like the price. So yep. Also guys, if you're gonna buy stuff on the website, make sure you read the comments and see what people have to say about them. I usually buy, if I'm buying something offline, I usually look at the reviews and how many people bought it, and then compare that to the reviews. And if it's good reviews, or most of the good reviews, then I'll get it. If not, then I usually don't. Obviously, this is the pajama I was talking about. The material, I don't like this material to sleep in, so for that I don't really like it. But I think I got it because it was purple, because the price for the quality is not it. You could get like cute stuff for cheaper at probably JCPenney's on sale or something. So yeah, but I like it. I like the blouse. It says happy and I'm happy. Can you see? So guys, I have two necklaces that I bought. This is one of them. This is a yellow gold necklace. Obviously it's fake and it was cheap. It was like $2 or $3, but I like it because it looks cute, and I'm not such a big fan of jewelry anyways. I mostly only wear my white gold necklace with a cross on it because it's just easy to wear, and like I like having the cross around my neck for some reason. So I usually just wear that necklace or no jewelry at all. My ears is pierced, but I don't really wear earrings like that, so there's that. So yeah, this is what this necklace looks like. I really like it, and the M for Marla's World make me like it even more. So I'll definitely be wearing it with some of the outfits that I got off the website. So this one is silver. It has stars on there because you know I'm a star. But it's just simple and it's cute, so I like it, and it's just easy to wear with a lot of the outfits that I bought, so I got it. And again, it was cheap. It was like $2-3, so I mean it's worth it. Like, why not just buy it to wear like maybe 2 times, and that's good, I guess. But yeah, so, and then I got these bracelets. They're just simple and nice. I'm not gonna put them on right now, but they're simple and they're nice. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate it, and thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I guess I will see you in the next video. But before I go, I want you guys to comment below which haul you would like to see me do next, and I just might, because I really like trying on clothes because it makes me feel like I'm a model. So yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think, and we'll see. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.